Today we have a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Goes Crazy After Being Arrested for Shoplifting.
Help! We're not doing help! For you. Help!
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so don't miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to a retail theft in progress.
Yeah, Walmart's got 4K cameras, man.
I know. Everybody's been there doing that.
Your hands wet because you washed them, hopefully? Yeah. Okay, I appreciate that.
Can y'all just take me around the corner to my boyfriend right there real quick? You got the side? Okay.
Your boyfriend's around the corner here? You know what you're doing?
Can I get my bag right there? We're going to take you to the office first, okay?
Can you push that back inside?
You got it? Oh. I'll help you if you... I'll take this. Yeah. I will walk with you. I will walk with you.
No, ma'am. I cannot let you go. You're in my custody. Excuse me, sir. I gotta get through here. Oh, I'm sorry. Appreciate it. Right.
Oh, sorry. My bad.
That's why I stepped to the side. Alright, we're gonna have a seat right here. Actually, give me a second. I'm gonna have the other officer make sure you don't have any knives or anything on you. Do you have any pocket knives?
Listen.
I think you have at least one.
I want y'all to take me out here where I can be seen. Woo, y'all gonna do me like that? Y'all finna do me like that? Hey, help me! Help me! They hurting me! Help me! Go get my boyfriend! Help me! Help me!
Just take the knife off.
Help me! Get your ass off of me!
Ma'am.
Get off of me! Help! Help!
Ma'am.
Help! Help!
We're not doing
Help!
anything for you.
Help! 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 Help!
Ma'am, stop.
Let me go! I don't even have pockets!
You're under arrest.
I don't have pockets!
That's great. We're making sure you don't have a pocket knife because you were using one on the video.
That shit is gone. Let me go, please.
Absolutely not.
Help!
You're gonna act like a fool.
Nah, y'all know what you just did.
What? You tried to run from us and pull away.
Yeah, right.
Now you're getting a resisting charge.
Yeah, right.
It's all on our body cam and that camera. So you can lie to yourself all you'd like.
We're gonna play your game.
Is she clear?
I didn't find it. I don't have a knife on
Probably
me.
in her bag or something like that.
Yeah, you're gonna make up
I
something.
just want to make sure it's not on here. Can you check
Making
that
up
too?
stuff. Making up stuff. Take it off.
All right. We're gonna walk to the car.
I'll tell that jail. Hope y'all know that.
I know you know that.
Oh, you know that.
Just a big baby. Just a big old baby, man. Just a big baby. No reason for that. Saying the cops did something and they ain't even do nothing. Nah, damn, if they roughed you up, they roughed you up, but they literally didn't even do nothing. You just hooting and hollering for no reason. Just a big baby, man. Oh, you was in there stealing? Yeah, everybody doing it. What the fuck? Everybody doing it, so that means you gotta do it? Are there people that get away with it? Probably. Yeah, probably. You know, of course. They can't catch everybody, but they gonna eventually get up to you, get caught up with you, man. Because I'm sure this is not the first time she has done it.
Just walk with us. I'll walk with y'all. All right, y'all is the one got me in the stove. In the first place. Go get my boyfriend.
He's getting hobbled.
Yep. Oh my God. You serious? They're gonna do me like that? Go get my boyfriend.
Just hold it for a second.
Around in the bus transit. Call Elliot. Go get Elliot. Go get my boyfriend. Hurry. 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 Hurry.
Ma'am, you need to stop.
Y'all got me in this store. Stop. Y'all lying motherfuckers. Piece of shit. Set up motherfuckers. Elliot!
We're code 4 to send another.
Yeah, stop.
Lying pieces of crap who set up mother lovers. You already admitted to stealing. You said pretty much you was doing it because everybody else do it.
Y'all got me in this store. I'm trying to help y'all. And this what you gonna do to me? Good. God got you. God got you. Somebody go get my boyfriend, please. Y'all gonna kill me too? Hog time, bitch. Y'all got me in the store. Y'all can't do the child of God. Y'all, Elliot Collins.
I'm on the other side.
Devil.
In the end, Gabrielle was charged with retail theft and resisting arrest without violence. The state later dropped the theft charge and she pled no contest to resisting without violence. She was adjudicated guilty and sentenced to 14 days in jail with credit for time served and ordered to pay $575 in costs and fees. After failing to pay, the amount has gone up to $718.75, which remains unpaid. If you like this video and want to see more like it,
you catch someone stealing, you got loss prevention doing their job, the cops come out there doing their job just to get it dropped. Unfreaking believable. Just a big old waste of time, man. Big old waste of time, slap in the face. Like, why even go out there for, if most of the thefts are just gonna get dropped, why even call? Just cops don't even call the cops for thefts, man. It's just a big old waste of time. All police officers do is paperwork all the time, man. One arrest is mad paperwork. So you got people going out there for these type of things just for it to get dropped, man. You got everybody doing their job. Walmart hires loss prevention to, whatever, to try to catch thefts. Loss prevention doing their job, tracking people, looking at the cameras, disguising themselves, walking around the store to try to catch thieves and hunt them down and all of that. You go through all that hassle to catch the person. You catch the person with the merchandise, with everything. They're hooting and hollering, whatever. You got to hog tie them. They're making up lies. Oh, you know what you did. I'm trying to help y'all, and this is how you treat me, yada, yada. Like, what the hell? You just made up some shit. You got caught stealing. All right. Now the cop got to sit there and do 2 hours of goddamn paperwork because of this incident just for it to get dropped. And that's just one case. They got multiple cases a day, multiple arrests a day. Paperwork on top of paperwork on top of paperwork. Just for it to get dropped. And then it gets dropped. Okay, well, we're going to drop it. We're going to make sure she pays her fine. We're going to slap her with a fine. She ain't paying that. Why would you give someone that got caught stealing a fine? Clearly, they don't have money. They're not going to pay it. 14 days in jail. That's some bull. Big waste of time, man. Big waste of time. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.